Okay, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my 1970 Chevrolet El Camino that I bought last year, and yeah. But today we are unboxing stuff because I bought some spare parts and stuff for my 1970 El Camino. So let's start with the unboxing. So that's probably the extension for that. Yeah, let's take that first. Let's open this one first. Yeah. All right. Needs some work, but it's definitely better than one that I have over here because, yeah. I think I paid 40 euros for this one. Not bad, not bad. Yeah. So this is one thing, and then we have this huge mystery box. Yep. It got some. Where those? It got at least spark plugs, and what else? All right. Brake parts. Yeah, there are some Camino 6973 jarruletko brake. Brake holes. I think there should be four. Yes, another one. Yeah. Same. SP4516 and SP4523. So yeah, two of those should be here if I remember correctly. Ignition parts, switch. This is for the steering wheel column that switches those that when you are yes, there are some. There are column mounted ignition switches. Installation. Yeah. All right. Because I don't know what's wrong with the car, and I just buy because I saw them cheaply in local Finnish Craigslist type of website that people are selling stuff. All right, then. Okay, master brakes shoes. That camera should have been yeah. Yeah, there are brake pads for the rear wheel because I have a drum brakes on the rear and disc brakes on the front. So I have a new set for those. Alright, spark plugs. I took out one of the spark plugs from the number 2 cylinder and it is R46T, and these are the same, so I have 6, 12 and 18. Yeah, 18, so I have 2 sets and 2 spare. Yeah. And then we have paper and what's this? This is a empty. All right, let's open and see what we have in here. Ah, this is the brake light switch. Yeah. All right. Because I don't know if my brake lights work or not. All right. But I should have SP4523 2. But no, at least I got one. So yeah. What else? Money marks. Nothing much. Yep. Electric and spark plugs, brake hoses and brake pads for the drum brake. Yeah, and the driver's side extension in there. Yeah. So this is my Chevrolet El Camino 1970. Yeah. Yeah.